Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature on Yahoo Mail. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can easily add a signature on Yahoo Mail with a Yahoo Mail browser site and your Yahoo Mail application. Simply go open your application and make sure you're signed into your Yahoo account. Once you're signed into your account, from your inbox page, tap on your initials at the upper left corner. Tap on Settings from the expanded menu, and from your Settings menu, scroll all the way down, and under General, you'll be able to see Signatures option. Give it a tap, and on the next page, you can customize signatures for each account. Simply enable the button and choose your account. The text box may be pre-populated with default text such as sent from Yahoo Mail on Android. Tap on the back arrow at the upper left corner of the screen and your signature will be saved. Similarly, you can go to your another account and do the same. If you want to include the signature in your new messages, starting now, enable the button. A signature is a great way to let those you are messaging know who you are and how to keep in contact. As soon as you activate the signature option, the signatures will automatically start appearing at the bottom of every email you send to your recipient. You can even include everything from your phone number and a link to your website to the logo for your business or your name, and add a few emojis as well. That is how you can add signatures on Yahoo Mail. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.